Are missed work orders costing you thousands in emergency breakdowns? Is your maintenance team drowning in spreadsheets, sticky notes, and lost paperwork? What if one critical repair slips through the cracks because someone forgot to log it? There's a better way. eWorkOrders transforms chaotic maintenance operations into streamlined, predictable workflows. Our cloud-based platform puts everything you need in one centralized system. Real-time work order tracking, automated preventative maintenance scheduling, complete asset histories, and mobile access for your entire team. No more missed follow-ups. No more guessing which equipment needs attention. With eWorkOrders, your technicians get instant notifications, access manuals and schematics in the field, and update work orders in real time from any device. Meanwhile, you gain complete visibility into labor costs, inventory levels, and maintenance performance with powerful reporting and analytics. Organizations using eWorkOrders have reduced emergency breakdowns, increased technician productivity by 37%, and saved over $150,000 annually. From managing over 400 restaurants to maintaining complex manufacturing operations, eWorkOrders scales to fit your needs, whether you have 5 users or 500. Our customers consistently praise our easy implementation, intuitive interface, and responsive support team that answers within hours, not days. Stop reacting to breakdowns. Start preventing them. Contact eWorkOrders today to discuss your maintenance challenges and schedule your free demonstration. See firsthand how our CMMS can reduce downtime, control costs, and give you the operational control you've been missing. Visit eWorkOrders.com or call us now. Your maintenance team deserves better, and your bottom line will thank you.